Welcome to Dream Lifestyles channel.
Oh my God, you know what I want. You know that you got me, yeah, you got my heart. Come to me and slow from me towards me, yeah. I'm following you, take me up into the sky.
This is the new DS7, a mid-size SUV that is designed for people who want plenty of practicality and comfort. As you probably know, DS used to be part of Citroën. Recently, they said we better be a standalone brand, but are they better in styles and efficiency than Citroën? Let's hop in and find out from one of the DS experts what this French beauty is all about.
The touch screen as a smartphone, right or left, you have few options to choose. The heating seats, the massage that I was talking about earlier.
Okay.
You can change the climate control, maybe a little bit down, and AC on, auto, and second step. It's okay right now. If you want to change the input on the screen, the driver's screen,
Okay.
use the roller to choose energy, and you see the flows of the energy from rear engine, electric engine, front electric engine. We have a rear electric engine right here, front right here, and this is the petrol engine. We have the battery loaded fully charged. The next one is minimum, to drive at night, for example. We have personal that you could
Personalize
change it by the big screen right here, and we have navigation. The navigation could be displayed as well on the screen, on the driver screen. As well, the navigation could be displayed right here.
Okay.
So the flow of the engine management and the battery right here, and the navigation right here. The gearbox. If you want to change the gear from reverse to drive forward, or forward to reverse, only with the unlock button. So we have foot on the brake. Yes.
Okay.
We push the button, drive it to ourselves, and if you want to put the reverse gear, just
To the front.
to the front. If you want to stop and leave the car, P for parking.
Okay.
That's all.
That's it.
Automatic parking brake. So if you push the pedal, accelerating pedal, so it will deactivate by itself.
Very simple. Okay.
And something
Drive
interesting in the S7 drive mode. Please look here. If we change the driving mode, we can choose the four-wheel drive Sport. It's in Sport 3 engines. It's working by its together, and it's have 520 Newton meters of torque and 300 horsepower. Hybrid, it's normal. It's to save the fuel.
Okay.
Comfort, it's the same, but in comfort conditions. The dampers is very soft, and the ride is much smoother than it in sport or in hybrid. Electric is only electric motor. And I want to just say that if we drive an electric, we have only rear wheel drive car.
Oh, okay.
Only a rear wheel drive. If we drive an comfort or hybrid or sport, we have 4x4.
Me up into the sky.
this DS7 model name sound a bit intense, but it's not. It's just my accent. Well, my apologies for that. It is called DS7E10s. Well, the E stands for electric. Under the bonnet, I have got a 1.6 liter turbocharged petrol engine combined with an electric motor which can produce a total power of 300 horses and 520 Newton meters of torque. I have got 13 kilowatt hours battery, and this being a plug-in hybrid, most probably your top priorities are: number 1, what are the electric range you can get, and 2, how quickly can you charge your battery? Well, you are in for a treat because I will tell you all about it. So the electric range is 68 meters, which is 42 miles. Now you can achieve this figure when you drive around the town. And if you drive on motorways like me, that I love to speed, definitely you will be looking about 50 kilometers figures, which is about 30 miles. Even this figure in the congested plug-in hybrid market is still very solid. Now you can charge your battery at home using a wallbox 7.4 kilowatts, and it will take you just under 2 hours. If you don't have the wallbox, you can just use a regular wall socket at home and it will take just about 8 hours. Well, just plug it overnight and the job is done. I'm driving on hybrid mode to save power while I'm braking. But if you choose to drive on comfort mode, you will be very happy because the ride here is pitchy. The suspension absorbs all the bumps, potholes, and the imperfections on the road. The seat is super comfy and it even has a massage. You can massage your back while driving and it feels like a French lush sofa. It's chilled, relaxing. I love it. Oh, it's heavenly. The steering wheel is nice and very light. It's got a good response, so you don't have to twist and turn until your arm falls off. This car also have a very good turning cycle, so it is easy to maneuver this car in and out of car parks. It has a good visibility, a wide window, no blind spots in the front. Got the cameras to support your reversing and parking activities. Here we have got an 8-speed automatic transmission, and as long as you don't rev like me, it's quick, it's smooth, and you just don't think about it at all. This DS7 is not a small car, yet on a twisty road, it's pedaling. Surprisingly very good. It doesn't swing left and right. We have got all drive system, so we feel solid and we feel planted. It's got this daytime running strip with the DS light valve that almost look like the light beaming through the bodywork. The headlights look much sleeker and meaner. They are matrix lit, so they are much smarter and brighter. has this massive front grille, which I don't know might be too big for some, but I don't mind it at all. And of course, the very distinctive DS badge there in the middle. For the backseat passenger, the DS7 Prospect is not bad at all. After adjusting the front seat for my height and comfort, I am 5'9" by the way, not tall, not short, I like it. The passenger at the back will still have plenty of leg rooms. I do love the beauty panoramic sunroof, by the way. Both the front seater and the back seater can enjoy the view up. Let's have a look at the boot space. We have got about 628 liters of space, and if this is not enough, you can of course fold the back seats down to carry all the cluster that you must carry. The floor here is completely flat, which means it is very easy to slide items out and put them back in. Oh yes, I just thought of the cabins. It is actually lovely. They are such a strong selling point for DS brand. The quality of the materials that fit and they use to finish this cabin is very good. I do like these seats. They are comfy. You have got soft leather. They are heated. They are cool. And you have got a seat massage, which you can easily activate by pressing the button here on the side. I like this materials combination. The blend of sorts of elegance and sportiness. Lovely, absolutely lovely. Check this out. This is a traditional clock. When you switch the on and off engine button, the clock flips. So classic. I think there's a story behind this clock, and this clock was designed by a French watchmaker who make this very exquisite watch. I'm really intrigued by the attention to details that they have gone to for the window buttons. I think they really look stylish and also looks like sort of geometric diamond pattern, and this pattern is everywhere, which I guess is a nod to the DS badge. You will notice all these patterns all over the car. On the infotainment, the DX experts have shown us some information we need to know, and really it's very easy to understand and is the most intuitive and the quickest infotainment system I've ever operated. This is such a beautiful long distance cruiser, very quick, laid back, and so easy to drive. This car has got plenty of French flavors, which is exactly and precisely what makes this car elegant and stylish, and it is certainly in a very different league in the comparison to the Citroën. Okay guys, this is my verdict on this car. Personally, I really like it. It is very spacious, practically cheap to run, and it feels very opulent and just a little bit different from the vast majority of SUVs, which is something I really appreciate.
Oh my God, you know what I want. You know that you got me, yeah, you got my heart. Come to me and slow for me, towards me, yeah. I'm following you, take me up into the sky. That you got me, yeah, you got my heart. Come to me and slow for me, towards me, yeah. I'm following you, take me up into the sky.
This brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.
Oh my God, you know what I want. You know that you got me, yeah, you got my heart. Come to me and slow for me, too.